What's good, YouTube? It's your boy RJ the Kid, dropping there with another lit video slash banger. Today I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to go live stream on an iPhone iOS. So some of my friends been asking me how to do it. So in this video I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to do it right now. So stay tuned. Okay, so number one, go in the App Store, right? Tap it. Type in Streamlab. Right now, type in Streamlab. Click that download button and let it download. This video is recommended for coming up YouTubers who don't really have stuff, so my advice to you is to do this. Oh yeah, so it's now download. So all you have to do is let it sit. Okay, log in with YouTube. Sign in. Well, I'm gonna hide that from y'all because I don't want nobody featuring my account. So yeah, let's go. Sign in with YouTube. For all beginners, because this is a way to develop your YouTube channel until you make it higher and successful. Okay, so I'm now ready to go live. So press that enable camera, press that enable mic, and next, press next. Get started, and you're ready to go live. So yeah, it's not finished yet. You have to go into your settings and enable the screen record so it can develop properly, because you don't want it to be moving slowly. So yeah. Record from it, so it can sit in, remove, and add it back. Swipe up, hold the screen record button down, and you're ready to record and go live on YouTube. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Okay, that is the end of the video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more lit videos. Peace, I'm out.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you